Hello there, first graders. It's Miss Hess here in the library. How you guys doing out there? Hope you're doing great. So I was talking with Miss Schwartz yesterday, and she told me about an upcoming art project that she's going to be doing with you. And it's related to the book that I'm going to read you today. Are you ready? Okay. The title of my story today is called You Think It's Easy Being the Tooth Fairy? And it's by Sherry Bell Rayvolt, illustrated by David Sloman. I wonder what your art project is going to be about. All right. So we're going to share this story. I want you guys to buckle up. You know how we do during story time, because we're always going to have a fun ride. You think it's easy being the tooth fairy? Here we go.
You think it's easy being the tooth fairy? Well, it's not. It takes skill and it takes daring. Thank goodness I am here to do the job. Let's get one thing straight, okay? I never wear pink flouncing skirts or twinkling glass slippers. That's Cinderella. She does a lot of sitting around the castle looking pretty. Boring.
There's those bold words.
Me, I'm an action kind of gal. I live for danger, for suspense. Let's get clear on another thing, shall we? I don't rely on elves to help me out or flying reindeer to get me around. That's Santa. You know, the big ho-ho. Don't get me wrong, he's a great guy, but all that help has made him soft. I'm tough. Check out my muscles. I got these lugging thousands of quarters around every night.
Look at all those quarters on that dumbbell.
And I'm smart. Take my amazing tooth finder, for example. I invented it. I bet you didn't know that baby teeth come with a built-in honing beacon, did you? With my trusty tooth finder, I can easily locate each tooth, ding, 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 when it's ready to come out. After I look into your tooth signal, I use my spio binoculars to scope out your house and plan my entry. Good thing I'm athletic. Graceful. Poetry in motion. I bob, I duck, I roll with the punches. Believe you me, every tooth mission brings danger, usually on 4 legs. Dogs want to chase me. Gerbils want to flatten me. Cats want to swat me, squash me, squeeze me, even eat me. Pets really cut into my work schedule, but so do you. Sorry, kiddos, but I've got too many teeth on my schedule to play games with you, so I really need you to follow the rules. Placement of teeth.
Here comes the rules.
Do not clutch tooth in sweaty palms. Do not hide tooth in pajama pocket. Do not wrap tooth in snotty tissue or smelly sock. Do clean all blood and spit off tooth. Do place tooth carefully beneath lower right-hand corner of pillow. Do sleep soundly. Lie still. Make like a toothbrush. Wonderful! This tooth was right where it should have been, and look how clean it is. Emily gets an A+, and I get another great photo for my scrapbook. Ting, ting, ting. Eureka! My tooth finder's going crazy. 7-year-old boy in Honolulu, Hawaii. 7-year-old quintuplets in San Antonio, Texas. 6-year-old girl in Juneau, Alaska. Wow, this is gonna be a long night. Whew! All done for tonight. Time for some shut-eye. But never fear, my dears. I'll be ready to fly the second my tooth finder starts ding, ding, dinging. I've got my ears peeled for your pearly whites. The end. Did you like that story about the Tooth Fairy? I sure did. I wish you all a very fun art project and a great day. Bye, guys.